engineers and developers, welcome back to Devign. Today is a really special day because we are officially starting the real build of Taskora. And if you have been following along, this is a moment where every planning turns to actual design and code. In this video, we will be doing two big things. First, we'll set the UX foundation so we exactly know what we are building and why. Then we'll jump straight into the backend setup where we'll give Taskora its break. So grab your chai, your hoodie, your VS Code, basically whatever makes you feel productive, and let's build something amazing together. And if something breaks, I'll cry later. Let's go. Taskora is supposed to be a minimal, playful, and no pressure task management app. Something that actually feels nice to use every day, not overwhelming like most apps. Here's the problem I noticed. Most of the task management tools are too cluttered or formal and honestly kind of boring. People end up abandoning them because they feel like extra work instead of help. Here's the solution: a clean interface, super fast interactions, just add, complete, and done, plus a few playful touches to make it fun. I also did some lightweight research on students, freelancers, and creators, and the pattern was clear. They don't hate being productive, they just hate complicated tools. So, Taskora is all about speed, simplicity, and vibe. Then I created three personas to make sure everything stays focused: Aditi, the student, Rohan, the freelancer, and Neha, the creator. These personas will guide every UX decision moving forward. Alright, the UX part is done. Now we have got our problem, solution, research and personas in place. Which means it's time to make things more complicated and technical. Let's jump into the backend setup. So, it's backend time. The first thing I did was set up the folder structure for the project. This makes everything organized from the start instead of throwing files everywhere like yours. I also added Nodman as a dev dependency because honestly, restarting the server after every tiny change is a pure torture. With Nodman, my server refreshes automatically every time I save. Smooth developer life. Then I installed all the required dependencies: Express, Mongoose, Course, Morgan, and 100 more. This might look like a lot, but trust me, it will save me later when my project grows. Setting up these fundamentals in the beginning gives the whole app a proper backbone. Then I connected the backend to my local MongoDB. I like using local DB for early stages because it's fast and easy to reset if something explodes, which, let's be honest, happens a lot. Once that was done, I jumped straight into the index.js file and added all the basic middlewares: JSON parsing, cars, Morgan for logging, and cookie parser. It's like laying down the foundation of a house. Boring, but so satisfying once it works. I created a small test route just to make sure everything is alive and talking properly. And then I saw this little message on screen: Taskora backend is running. I swear it feels like magic. That one line means server check, database check, kiosk double check. And that's a wrap for today. We covered UX foundation, the why, the who, and the how, and jumped straight into the backend setup where our app officially came to life. And in the next video, we will be building the real features: the authentication, the task CRUD, and all other fun stuff. If you are vibing with this journey, don't forget to subscribe and follow. Okay, time to debug and drink water. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.